Many beginners face a common challenge, feeling overwhelmed by the vast amount of coding resources available. You might be wondering where to start, what programming language to learn, or which resources are the best. This can lead to frustration and make you feel like you're not making progress. Feeling overwhelmed can cause you to doubt your abilities and make you question whether coding is right for you. You might start to feel like you're not smart enough or that you're too old to learn. But trust me, these feelings are normal, and many successful coders have been in your shoes. The key is to take it one step at a time and focus on building your skills. The abundance of resources can also lead to analysis paralysis. You might spend hours researching the best programming languages, tutorials, and courses, but never actually start coding. This can be a major obstacle to learning, and it's essential to find a way to overcome it. By focusing on projects, you can avoid getting bogged down in theory and start building your skills right away. Another challenge is the fear of failure. You might worry that you create something that's not perfect or that you'll make mistakes, but the truth is, failure is an essential part of the learning process. Let's talk about some simple coding projects that you can start with. The first project is a to-do list app. This project will help you learn the basics of programming, such as data structures, user input, and output. You'll also get to practice designing a user interface and handling user interactions. The second project is a weather program. This project will teach you how to work with APIs, parse data, and display it in a meaningful way. You'll learn how to make HTTP requests, handle errors, and create a simple user interface. The third project is a game, like Tic-Tac-Toe or Snake. This project will help you learn about game loops, event handling, and basic game logic. You'll get to practice creating a game from scratch and see how fun coding can be. These projects are great for beginners because they're fun, practical, and help you build a solid foundation in programming. I've seen many people transform their coding journey by starting with simple projects. Take Sarah, for example, who was a complete beginner just a year ago. She started with a to-do list app and quickly moved on to more complex projects. Today, she's a confident coder who's working on her own startup. She credits her success to the hands-on experience she gained from working on projects. The key takeaway here is that hands-on experience is essential to building your coding skills. By working on projects, you'll learn by doing, rather than just reading theory. So, what are you waiting for? Start coding now with these beginner projects and take the first step towards a career in tech. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear from you. Which project do you plan to try first? Let me know in the comments below.